Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 C300 4MATIC. This one's black. Underneath the hood's a 2.0 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. For wheels we've got 18-inch alloys. The tires are in good condition. Front and rear LED daytime running lights. A black MB Tex interior. Sunroof. Come around back, we've got our C300 4MATIC badging. Set all season floor mats. Alongside, this one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, Burmeister sound system, heated seats, memory seats, power windows, heated steering wheel. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities. This one also does come with smartphone integration, which is going to give you Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Paddle shifters for extra performance. Push start ignition. Rear view backup camera. Gloss black center console. Dual climate controls. Hard keys for a media display. Turn wheel for our infotainment center. Dynamic select for different driving patterns. This C-Class has 35,115 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the C300 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.